It's a super exciting time at Carbon. We are focusing on launching a brand new product.
We've got our first PO of pivot glasses in the works.
We're also prepping for a huge tournament. We have a bunch of our athletes playing in it, including one of our own employees, Brody. And we're also prepping for our very first Prime Day.
Pressure's on to get these launched before any other competitors do, and also to prepare for these big events.
Ow!
So we are out here planning and scouting what we want to do next week. We're going to bring in videographer and photographer to help us with it and shoot what I would consider more of a legitimate commercial for this product than we usually do with our other product. Given how different the pivot glasses are than anything on the market, our goal for this photo shoot is to show off the stylish side of things and also the technical side of things. Photochromic lenses, we'll definitely want to do something where we can actually show the lens going clear to dark and dark to clear, and then just showing that they're unisex and they look good on male, female. We need everything from stuff for our website to Amazon and A+ content, focusing on lenses, look and feel, and really everything else that sets us apart.
Carbon's been around for a little under 3 years now. We have seen pretty rapid growth to the point where we're considered one of the top 5 to 10 brands in the industry.
It was never meant to be a business. Garrett designed the original paddles for himself and his pickleball partner to play in tournaments.
I was working as a wine sommelier at a country club when the pandemic hit. I was found without a job. I had already been playing pickleball. It allowed me to play a lot more when I didn't have a job, right? So I was
not a lot. He was playing like 7 days a week, all day. Every day.
So, given that, I excelled relatively quickly. I started realizing that there was a need for something better. My paddles kept breaking. I wasn't getting the kind of spin that I wanted. I saw a need for a better product, and I made it for myself.
It wasn't meant to be commercialized or sold, and it was just because it was actually good and you guys kept winning and everybody around you was like, what is this thing? That you kind of had that light bulb moment and said, wait a second, maybe it's a business.
So the best thing about Carbon paddles, truthfully, is there is a consistent hit all throughout the paddle. Everything is one and it's super solid, so I know where I'm hitting the ball. It helps a lot, so I attribute a lot of my wins to Carbon.
These Carbon pivot glasses are amazing, and the reason why is because I've actually been hit 5 times, and I've had 4 black eyes out of it. Eyewear is necessary for the game because paddles are getting a lot more power, and I've seen a lot of injuries. They also come in multiple different lenses, and love wearing them.
This is the most time and effort and money that we've invested in shooting content for a new product. And most people know us for pickleball paddles, so this is kind of the first time that we're trying to expand past that.
Oh, that's a good shot.
From all the content that we shot, we're gonna pull our favorites and really just test what works best in ads.
Yeah, that's good.
That background. Good. I really like that one. I'll make sure we have multiple options set.
We want to get all of that research done well in advance of Prime Day, so we're buttoned up with our ads. The last thing we want to be doing is testing something brand new on a day so important, so that coming into Prime Day, we're perfectly positioned to take advantage of the traffic. I think there is part of us, and that's a little bit nervous to split off into an industry or a product that we haven't sold before, but the team is cautiously optimistic for Prime Day. We spent a lot of time and effort preparing, but we've never been through it, so we don't really know what's gonna happen, but we're all super excited to find out.